All right, your job, your health, your family, your bank account. We could go on and on. Some days dealing with the stress of everyday life can seem overwhelming. But there are simple things that you can do to make every day easier. Ada on your side has answers this afternoon. And Dr. Stacey Schechner joins us now for this edition of, this is my favorite part of Monday, Mental Health Mondays.
Thank you.
We're all dealing with stress out there.
Yes.
You've got some really important tips, 5 important, or you might say healthy ways to deal with it, right?
Yes, and I've been through a lot. I don't think the people have seen me for a few weeks now. I was sick, my baby was sick, and I had to move my office, and a lot of things are going on personally, so I can relate. And I actually came up with this with Lindsay, the producer, because I wasn't coping well, and I thought I need a refresher, so I need to teach the people out there and everyone how to cope better.
So even doctors need some help sometimes.
We probably need, right? Haven't you heard the most help? So it's very good.
I didn't go there. I didn't go there.
You didn't go there,
No.
but you know, it's important because I was sitting and I was reflecting. It's always good for us to reflect. And the first thing, the ways to cope would be acknowledge what you're going through. You know, as a doctor, I always feel I have to be so strong. I am a psychologist. I can't be weak or vulnerable. And that's absolutely, I tell myself, ridiculous. I need to acknowledge, and everyone needs to acknowledge what is causing them stress. Don't try to be super strong and brave. Things happen and you have to accept it, not repress it.
But that's how many of us are taught. We have to be strong, we have to be brave, we have to get it done.
And we have to be perfect. You have to sleep every day perfectly, eat perfectly, exercise. That's right. So acknowledge the stressors in your life. And then the second thing is kind of what you were saying. Express it. You're allowed to say it. You're allowed to tell people, I'm going through a hard time.
So
I'm normal. I'm human.
So you're saying, express your feelings?
Express your feelings. That's exactly right.
But a lot of people, I don't
there.
know about you, but a lot of people have trouble. I don't. A lot of people have trouble expressing their feelings, saying how they feel. How do they go about changing that?
Yep, you have to, how do you go about changing it? I have a little feeling chart. You're right. Adults.
A feeling chart.
A feeling chart, even for 45-year-olds and 60-year-olds, not just for my 5-year-olds. How are you feeling? Are you feeling frustrated? Are you feeling mad? Are you feeling angry? Express those feelings, because I always say if you eat a bad apple and you don't throw up, it's going to make you sick. If you have feelings inside and you keep them down, it's going to make you sick. So go ahead.
So the thing is, we're talking about all these things in everyday life.
Yes.
How do you work through each? Is there like an overall umbrella guideline to do it?
Allow yourself to cry. Allow yourself to scream, not at people or at work or your spouse.
Good point.
Allow yourself to get those feelings out. However, that may be in a healthy, not inappropriate way.
45 seconds left.
Yes.
We've got 2 more points, I know.
Yes.
One of the best remedies in life?
Laugh. Watch something funny. Get it out there. Smile. Hug a tree. You know, do
Hug
something.
a tree.
Hug a tree. Go to the beach. Watch a funny show.
And the last one is what we don't do very often. And what is that?
And take a break, you know? Sit down and take a break and take control of your life. Write down your stressors and problem solve each one. Ask for help if you need help. Ask family members. Ask a therapist like me. We all need help in different things in life, so do that.
Well, here's the deal. How about you and I take a break right now?
I think we should.
All right, and we'll send it back
Let's
to Stacey.
go get some coffee.
Let's go.